This is one of the other Kichler propeller fans that they have here in this apartment. Here's the first speed. It's really nice and quiet, unlike the fan in my room, which is just noisy. Alright, I think it's time to go to the next speed. It's so quiet. Literally the same speed, and my fan just makes a bunch of buzzing noises all the time. And the remote doesn't even work. Alright. Speed 3. And literally the light is just nice. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. And have a nice day.